Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Let's move forward. आज ये वीडियो बहुत ही नॉर्मल वीडियो है. एक्चुअली आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट एंड मैं बहुत बहुत डीपली ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ लोगों को एंड आई डोंट नो इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग और इट्स अ कर्स. कभी कभी अच्छा भी काम कर जाता है, कभी कभी इट बैकफायर्स. सो आई वेंट टू पार्क today in the morning. I took my daughter and just thought of sharing this video with all of you because I just felt कि it is important to share. So let's get started. So दुनिया में बहुत तरीके के लोग होते हैं. So if I talk about myself, I'm a very soft person. So if whenever you meet me, you will see me talking very softly, politely. I love to be in a calm environment. I love to be around calm set of people. There are people who are very loud, who don't bother like लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं आसपास, like whatever is there in themselves they are ready to take it out. There are people who very diplomatically deal with the stuffs, like जहाँ पे उनको काम से रहना है they will stay calm. जहाँ पे उनको they know कि वो उनको थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बोलना है then they will talk. So yes, it's been more than 15 years since I left Assam, and in these 15 years I met different kinds of people and बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने खुद से भी सीखा है. But yes, the world is changing, and it's changing drastically. We'll have to make our kids understand कि when they grow up, when they meet different kind of people, when they will meet different set of friends, they will also have to know how to deal with them. We'll have to keep telling themselves कि या सो हमें उनको पहले से बोलना पड़ेगा जैसे ही वो बड़े होते जाएंगे कि ऐसे तरीके के आपको लोग मिलेंगे. नॉट ओनली देयर फ्रेंड्स, द टीचर्स whom they met, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि सभी लोग उनके टाइप के ही होंगे. उनको समझाना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ऐसे लाउड पर्सनालिटीज़ भी उनको मिलेंगे, ऐसे डिफरेंट स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी वाले लोग भी मिलेंगे. एंड यू नीड टू कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज पीपल टू योर किड्स. सो जब आपका बच्चा बाहर जा रहा है तो इस तरीके के लोग जब मिलेंगे ना, तो ही गेट्स कंफर्टेबल एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, प्रोवाइडेड डोंट फोर्स हिम और हर. हम जब भी अपने बच्चे को किसी भी चीज़ में फोर्स करते हैं ना, दे नेवर लाइक इट. सो फोर्स नहीं करना है. यू आर फेसिंग सच इश्यूज ऑल्सो विद योर चाइल्ड कि आपका बच्चा बाहर जाने से थोड़ा डिस्कम्फर्ट फील करता है, if they feel very irritated in loud environments, it's normal. But you keep telling them. So this is what I wanted to deliver. So I went to the park in the morning and I met two ladies, and they're very the way they were talking to their kids, the way they were talking to other people around, it just pissed me off. And then I realized, like, growing up, I never liked these loud people. I have always loved to be around soft kind of people. And that's why I faced a lot of difficulties while growing up. I struggled to adjust with these kind of people. But ऑनेस्टली अगर देखा जाए तो सभी अलग है एक दूसरे से, एंड आप कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रख सकते हो किसी से. आप अगर एक सॉफ्ट इंसान हो एंड यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट द अदर पर्सन टू बी सॉफ्ट, दिस वाइस वर्सा. सो rather than that, you need to make yourself understand and accept that no one is the same. Not everyone has the same hurt as you. सबके अलग अलग पर्सनालिटीज है, सभी अलग है. The more you accept it, it becomes easier for you to deal with the life, because once your kid will also go out, they will face many type of people, and rather than getting hurt or getting irritated, it's better to not give any importance to all these things and just to focus on life, on career, or on themselves. So यही मेरा मोटिव था कि keep talking to your kid, communicate, tell them कि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे, and I hope at one point of time your kid will be able to understand and relate to it. Obviously it's a never ending thing. कहीं ना कहीं point पे we are humans, we do get hurt, and इफ़ेक्ट करती है बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बट I think it's time for change. And if we work on ourselves, it will help us to raise our kids in a different way, like the way we were raised. Hope you like this video. Then please share it with other parents. Thank you for watching.